Hello guys, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ. And today we will be doing this module that is branded mobile apps with mobile publisher. And its first unit is get started with mobile publisher. So let's open this. So if you have gone through this unit, it is talking about what is mobile publisher, how we can use it, and what are its advantages. So let's get to the challenge. That is what is mobile publisher. So if you have gone through the app, you will know that it allows us to publish an app of our Lightning app that we can have it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. So the option is the correct one. Then second is what's the advantage of using mobile publisher to create a branded app for your employees. So yes, it can increase Salesforce adoption. Organizations mobile security, no, it doesn't have any role in that. It requires no mobile development expertise. Yes, we don't need to have expertise in especially mobile development or anything specific. So A and C should be the correct option. Let's check. It's the correct one. Let's move on to the second challenge. Now we have come to the second unit, that is create your branded app, and it is talking about how we can create our app and how we can publish it. So let's go to its challenge. First question is what's the first step to take when you want to create a branded app. So always we need to create our branded assets first. Which elements can you brand in a mobile publisher app. So we can have app icon, launch screen as well, but not record detail pages. So A and B should be the correct answer. Then Salesforce managed distribution type uses whose developer account to publish apps. It always uses developer account. And what's included in our mobile publisher project, Android and iOS app. So we have completed this challenge as well. Let's move on to the next. It is talking about test and submit the app. So let's go to its challenge. In this first question we have, why do you need to install a manage package for your branded app? So Google and Apple require it, no, because the package includes a design template for your app. Second question is, when the beta versions of your Android app is available, who receives the notification email? So B, and the person designated as the organization's internal beta tester. After your beta tester installs the beta version of the app, what can they test? They can test the visual appearance of the app. Next is what happens when you approve an iOS branded app in Salesforce. It submits the app to the App Store for final review. Okay, so let's check. I guess D should be the correct option. Yes, so let's move on to the last challenge. Let's go to its challenge, that is, when can your branded app require maintenance? Okay, so B and C, that is when Apple makes a change to their app submission form or when we want to update the logo on the app's launch screen. How do you make changes to an app that's live on the Google Play or the App Store? We need to create a new version of our app in setup. So we have successfully completed this batch, that is branded mobile apps with mobile publisher. So if you have any doubts or any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel, and let me know if you want me to make any video on any other super badge module or projects. Thank you.